From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could wake up every morning feeling refreshed and on time, without the hassle of a complicated alarm clock? Thanks to the alarm clock, LED electronic alarm clock small from UOHUFIDABFD. This top-rated alarm clock is a game-changer for anyone who values simplicity and ease of use. With its large, clear digital display, you can easily see the time at a glance, even without your glasses on, which is perfect for those early morning wake-up calls. The display is so clear that you can see the time from across the room, and the large time numbers are easy to read, making it ideal for people of all ages. The compact design of this alarm clock makes it perfect for bedside tables or small desks, and it's so lightweight you can take it with you on the go. One of the standout features of this alarm clock is its automatic night mode, which decreases the brightness from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., or you can set it to your preferred time, creating a perfect sleeping environment. The temperature display is also a nice touch, switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit every 10 seconds, giving you a sense of the room temperature at all times. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and versatility. The alarm clock, LED electronic alarm clock small, is also very versatile, with 2 power supply modes, 3 AAA batteries, or a USB power line, giving you options to power it up. In real-life use, this alarm clock has proven to be reliable and efficient, waking you up on time every day, and the sound is crisp and clear, making it easy to wake up to. Whether you're using it at home or in the office, this alarm clock is a great choice, and its small size makes it easy to move around, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Overall, the alarm clock, LED electronic alarm clock small, is a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use alarm. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.